Okay then. So we'll start today's class, right? So in last class, we studied about basic of motion in 2D. That what is motion in 2D, what is projectile motion, what is range, what is maximum height, what is time of flight, right? So this is what we have studied in last class. So in this class, we'll talk about some more problems in projectile motion and whatever we have studied motion 1D in our class 9. Okay, we will practice some more problems involving vectors and differentiation. Okay, so this is the application of vectors and differentiation. I hope all of you remember vectors and differentiation. Just let me know, just raise your hand. Everyone, just raise your hand. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, so when we talk about motion in 2D, right, we have already studied what is vector, how to use vectors, how the equation of motion can be used for 2-dimension and 3-dimension. Okay, now when we talk about motion in 2-dimension, 3-dimension, we talk about vectors. That's what we have studied. We talk about vectors. Okay, so see, if you talk about the concept, if you talk about the concept that is involved in motion in 1D or motion in 2D, right? So see the concept. I hope all of you can see the concept. The concepts are, first, what is the basic definition of motion? And second, reference point and frame of reference that we have studied in last class. I hope all of you remember what is the meaning of reference point and frame of reference. We have studied in last class, right? That if we see any object from one point, it may be 1-dimensional motion, maybe 2-dimensional motion, right? Now, what is your path length, which is distance, displacement that we have studied in class 9 only, speed velocity, average velocity, instantaneous velocity. I hope all of you remember these concepts, right? Anyone have any doubt in this concept? Tell me. Tell me. No, right? So I guess everyone is clear in these concepts. Okay, so we will try to solve some problems regarding these concepts first. Okay, so I guess this is the easy problem that you can solve. So all of you try to solve question number 2. Everyone, please try to solve question number 2. It's a warm-up question. Okay. Right, just try everyone. It's a warm-up question. Just try to read the problem and think what we have to do. Right, it's very easy problem, I guess. Everyone should be able to solve this. Yes, I'm getting answers already. Yes, Snigdha, very good. So, first answer is very easy. Yes, Snigdha. Yes, Ananya, right? Right, Neha. First is very easy. Okay? Yes. What about second one? What about second one? First one is very easy. What about second one? Yes, displacement is total displacement, na? Right? See, there are two methods, right? One is very easy method. I hope all of you are using the concept that we have studied till now, and you're not just using the Pythagoras theorem because it will be confusing. How many of you are using vectors? Tell me. How many of you are using actual vectors? Tell me, everyone. How many of you are actually finding this AF vector? Because if you can find AF vector, right? See, suppose this is 0, 0, right? This is 0, 0. So AF vector, the length of AF vector will be your displacement, yes or no? So let's see what is AF vector. So it is, just write down step by step. So 3 kilometer in this positive x-axis. So 3 I cap. Now 1 kilometer in positive y-axis. So plus 1 j cap. Now again 1.3 kilometer in negative direction now. So minus 1.5 I cap. Now again 0.5 in upward direction. So 0.5 j cap. Now again 0.5 in positive x direction. So plus 0.5 I cap. Tell me, is it easy? Tell me, is it easy now? Right? So it will be 3 I cap minus 1 I cap because 1 minus 1.5 plus 0.5 will give me minus 1. So it will be 2 I cap. 2 I cap. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? And j cap, it is 1 plus 1. It will be 2 j cap. Right, everyone? Think about this. Okay, sorry, not 2, 1.5. My bad. It is 1.5. 1.5 j cap. Yes, everyone? Tell me. Yes? Got this, everyone? Tell me. Is it easy now? So this is a displacement vector, right? If you were finding this Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, still also you can do same thing, right? But it is the proper way how to solve any problem, because see, in this case you can just calculate this distance and this distance and find your hypotenuse, right? And ultimately we are doing the same thing, but we are just writing in a proper way using vectors. So magnitude of vector r is root of 2 square plus 1.5 square. You will get the answer. Everyone got this problem? Tell me. Everyone got this problem? Just raise your hand. Everyone, it's easy. So now you know how to solve. Most of you solve using this method, or some of you might solve using this hypotenuse Pythagoras theorem, right? Okay, very good. Right, everyone? Okay, very good. Now let's see question number 3. Everyone, just try solving question number 3. So today we are focusing on problem solving, because when you talk about the concepts, as I told you, concepts in physics are very less, right? It is the application. It's the application that we have to study. Okay. So question number 3. Everyone, just go through question number 3. Okay. It's easy. Yes. Very good. Very good, Harish. Snigdho. See, these are easy problems, right? Yes. Very good. Harish, Snigdho. Correct. First one, it will be 27, na? Right? Because you have to find the positions. Let's see first one. So we know that the expression of position is given by x is equal to 3t square. So the first question is simple. It's straight away formula putting getting. So at t is equal to 3, yes, find its position. So x at t is equal to 3 seconds. So 3 into 3 square, which is equal to 27 meters. Easy, it was easy, right? Okay. Now, second one, tell me, second one. Second one. At t is equal to 3s plus delta t. So just put the value, right? This is the basic definition of function. You don't have to be confused, right? So this is your 3 seconds plus delta t. So put x is equal to 3 into, instead of t, just put 3 plus delta t. How many of you remember this from the basics of differentiation? F of x plus delta h. How many of you remember this? F of x plus delta x. If you remember, you might be getting this. Now this is square, right? So it will be x is equal to 3, 9 plus delta t square plus 6 delta t. That's the answer. Yes or no? Tell me. That's the answer. Right, everyone? Right? Anyone have any issues? Tell me. Anyone have any issues? So this is your x1 and this is your x2. This is your x2. So you can see that x2 is equal to, just open this, it will be 27 plus 3 into 6 delta t plus 3 delta t square. Yes or no? Tell me. And what is this 27? It is x1. So we will get x2 minus x1 because this is x1, right? Is equal to 3, or just write it as 18. 18 delta t plus 3 delta t square. If you remember the basics of differentiation, you might be able to solve question number 3 very easily. So this is your delta x, right? And you have to find delta x by delta t. So divide everything by delta t. Delta t. This is equal to 18 plus 3 delta t. Now delta t tends to 0, right? Delta t tends to 0. So this will tend to 0. So it will be 18, right? So it is actually dx by dt. How many of you remember this? How many of you remember if t tends to 0, delta x by delta t is nothing but dx by dt. Now if you can differentiate this function directly, you will get the same 18 answer. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me everyone. Yes or no? Right? So this is using first principle, or you can just differentiate, right? So I can say the question third and fourth are same, right? Third and fourth are same. This is second, this is your third, right? And fourth are actually same. Okay. Fourth is direct differentiation. Fourth is direct differentiation, right? Dx by dt, right? Got it, everyone? I hope question number 3 would be easy. All of you got this concept. Okay, very good, very good. Let's solve some other problem. Let's solve another problem. So we are just getting acquainted with the concepts of differentiation and vectors. Okay, that's it. That's what we are doing. Okay, let's solve this problem, everyone. Let's solve this problem. This is question number 4. Just solve this problem, everyone. Okay. Yes. Yes, everyone. So Jaita said the answer. Harish, you have to find the time, Harish. Jaita, check your answer because Maurya and Snigdha is having other answer. Everyone should reply. Why only two, three people are replying? Okay. So for first, what you have to do, you just have to find the velocity and make it equal to zero. That's what you have to do, right, everyone? Find velocity and make it equal to zero. Yes. So let's see first one. I hope all of you have solved first part. The first part. What is velocity? Velocity is dx by dt. That's what velocity is. So we know how to differentiate. Let's differentiate. So it will be 2 into dt cube by dt plus, okay, it's minus minus 3 into dt square by dt. Now this is constant, so d1 by dt, which is 0. This will be 0. So let's see. So it will be 3 into 2 or 2 into 3t square minus 3 into 2t. Now the question is at what time the velocity is 0. So this should be equal to 0. So we know that 6t, take out 60 common, so be t minus 1 is equal to 0, right? Got it, everyone? So it will be 0 at 2 points. At t is equal to 0 and at t is equal to 1. Right? Got it? So at t is equal to 0, it will be 0. Obviously, it will be 0. Right? But the answer would be t is equal to 1. Okay? Got it, everyone? Right? Yes. Now, second one, we got the answer of second one also. Right? Because the second one, the answer of second one is this. At what is its velocity when it passes through the origin? When it passes through the origin, right? Okay, if it's passing through the origin, right? So its velocity would be 0, right? Got it, everyone? Easy? Tell me, easy? Are you getting? Okay. I hope everyone is getting this. Shrikar? Where's Shrikar? Where's Priyanshu? Everyone is here? Yes? Yes? Okay, very good. So let's see another problem. Let's see another problem. Okay, let's see this problem now. This is question number 5. Everyone, let's try to solve this problem. Hi everyone, just try to understand the problem and solve it. Easy. Okay, I'm getting answers now. Yes, very good. Yes, so let's see. A block moves in a straight line with velocity v for time t1. Let's draw this. So A to B, the velocity A to B, the velocity is v and the time is t. Time is t. Right, everyone? It is visible, right? I think it is visible enough. V t. Now then velocity becomes 2v for the next interval from v to c. From v to c, the velocity becomes 2v, and again the time is t, right? And the final velocity becomes 3v for time t. Okay, the final velocity becomes 3v. Okay, now whole time is t, capital T. Now average velocity, v average, is equal to 2.5v, right? Find capital T in terms of small t. Okay, let's see who can solve. So let's suppose this is your t dash. Okay, this is your time t dash. Got it? Okay, sorry, it is given as capital T. Wait, this is given as capital T. Okay, right, everyone? Now we know that what's the basic definition of velocity, right? It is total displacement by total time. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone. Total displacement by total time. Yes, everyone. Right? So average velocity 2.5 v is equal to total displacement. Total displacement is equal to speed into time, right? So first will be v into t. Second one will be 2v into t. And third one will be 3v into capital T by total time, which is t plus 2 small t plus capital T. Yes or no? Tell me. That's the basic definition. I'm just using the basic definition, nothing else. Right? Yes, everyone? Tell me. Agree, everyone? Tell me, everyone? Okay. Now you got it. Can you find the relationship? Okay. Got it, everyone? Tell me. Got it? Yes or no? So let's calculate, right? So V and V will get cancelled. V and V will be cancelled. So let's see. 2.5 is equal to, this is your 2t plus 3 capital T by 2t plus capital T. So you can just solve it, right? Okay. Can you solve this? Tell me, can you solve this? Right, everyone? So it will be 5 small t plus 2.5 capital T is equal to what? Tell me. 2 small t plus 3 capital T, right? So we will get 0.5 capital T is equal to 3t. So T is equal to 60. Got it? Right? Tell me, everyone. 60, na? How come it would be 40? Tell me, everyone. It would be 60. Capital T is equal to 60. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? Okay. So it is saying now that it started with 3v, then velocity becomes 2v in next interval of small t, then finally it becomes 3v for time t, right? Okay, wait, Priyanshu. Yeah, Priyanshu. I've
हाँ
unmuted you. Tell me.
सर मैं बोल रहा था कि 2.5 v इक्वल टू 3 vt प्लस 3 v कैपिटल टी होगा ना?
Wait, wait. Let's see this first equation. First equation is fine. Tell me. Is this fine?
सर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में
Vt plus 2vt. Okay, sorry. T. Sorry, yeah, my bad. No, it's fine. No, it is velocity. No, what's wrong in first equation?
सर तो 3 vt प्लस 3 v कैपिटल टी होगा ना?
Okay, Vt plus 2vt is 3vt. Sorry, my bad. Right? Sorry, my bad. Yeah. Yes. My bad. Okay. We'll just will be 3. So 2. My bad. Apologies, everyone. So 4. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see next problem. So this is basic conceptual problem. Okay, you don't have to solve, you just have to see the speed, okay, or the direction of velocity, right? So I hope all of you can see the scores, right? You can see the slope, right? Everyone can see the slope. Just go through the problem, then we will answer, okay? Okay, let's see. Let's see the answer. Yes. See, slope, na Harish. That's what we said, right? From A to B. Tell me, from A to B. What is the slope? Positive or negative? And if you see the slope, we have studied that positive slope means velocity or speed is increasing. Negative slope means it is decreasing. Got it, everyone? Tell me. Got this? Right? So I guess it should be easy for everyone. Okay. So from A to B, moving in positive direction and increasing speed, right? B to C, move to, tell me, again positive direction with negative speed, right? Very good. C to D, tell me, negative direction with decreasing speed. D to E, negative direction with increasing speed. Okay? Okay. So let's see. I guess everyone is able to understand this problem. Everyone is conceptually clear about this, about the slope, right? Okay. Very good. So this was about the basics. Let's see the equation of motion, okay? Okay. Let's see this problem now. Everyone can see the problem? Yes, tell me. Everyone can see the problem? X negative, na Dhruv. See, I'll explain this again. Last problem. Just think about this. I just think about the graph. I'll just explain once again, okay? I hope some of you might have misunderstood the problem. From A to B, just think about this. A to B. Body is moving, right? Body is moving with increasing speed. Then at this point, it stops, right? It stops. Okay, right? So from A to B, body is moving like this with increasing speed. Speed. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? And at B point, it stops, right? Now from B point, the velocity becomes negative. Yes or no? Tell me, yes or no? So what is the meaning of negative velocity? Tell me, what is the meaning of negative velocity? Tell me. Opposite direction, right? Okay. Again, the body is moving in this direction. Okay. Then this is your origin. This is your origin, right? Moving in this direction till this point, right? Now from this point, at point B, so this is A, this is B, C, and point D. And point D, it stops again, then again, it moves in this direction. This is your E. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it, everyone? Okay. So now if you see the slope, it was maximum at A. Yes or no? Sorry, my bad. It was maximum at A. Yes. And then at B, it becomes 0. At B, it becomes 0. Right? Okay. At B, it becomes 0. So I can say that, right? Forget about this, right? Slope is decreasing. It is positive, but slope is decreasing. That's why from A to B, right? From A, it was something, but B, it is 0. So just think about this. So we have point A, B, C, and D, and E. So from A to B, it became positive to negative. So it is decreasing, yes or no? From A to B, it is decreasing. At point B, sorry. This is point, this is B. Right? From A to B, it is decreasing. Now from B to D, or B to C, this is C. B to C, it is increasing. B to C, it is increasing. From C to D, again it is decreasing. And D to E, again it is increasing. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got it? So I can say that A to B decreasing, B to C increasing, C to D decreasing, D to E increasing. Now this will give you the idea about all the four options. Yes, everyone? Okay, very good. I guess everyone got this. Now try solving this problem. Everyone try solving this problem. These are the very basic problems. Very good. Check the sign also, everyone. So these were the warm-up problems. Okay, easy. Yes, Priyanshu, Ananya. You have different answers. See, U is, first of all you have to write 144 kilometer per hour. Convert into meter per second. 145 into 5 by 18. Right? Got it, everyone? This is how many times? 8 times. This is a 40 meter per second. Yes or no? Right? Then S, 200 meters. V is equal to 0. We just asked to find A. So it is easy. V square minus U square by 2S. So 0 minus 1600 by 2 into 200. 4. So minus 4. Right? So this is acceleration is minus 4. Retardation 4. Got it? Got it, everyone? Okay, easy. Right? Now let's see one problem. Yes. Now try solving this problem now. Try solving this problem. Okay, everyone, see question number this. Question number 8. Guys, in physics, problem solving is very important. Okay. Can you set the answer? Let's see. So U is equal to 2I. Yes or no? A is equal to 2I cap, 2I cap plus J cap. As simple as that. And you are asked to find V at t is equal to 5 seconds. Easy problem. So V is equal to U plus CT. As simple as that. We have already solved problem like this. I'm just giving you these normal problems. 2I cap plus 5 into 2I cap plus J cap. So it will be 12I cap plus 5J cap. Yes, everyone, very good. So magnitude of V is equal to root of 12, which is 144, plus 25, which is 13. Root of 110 is 13. Okay, everyone? Okay, very good. So I hope all of you are getting this problem, getting the hang of motion 1D and 2D. Okay. Now let's solve one problem with projectile motion. Ready, everyone? Okay, very good. Let's see this problem. All of you can see the screen. Everyone can see the problem on screen. It is clearly visible. Yes? Okay, very good. So I hope all of you remember the formula. Try solving this problem, everyone. Try everyone. Start with time of flight. You know the formula, right? Time of flight is 2u sine theta upon g. Range u square sine 2 theta upon g. Maximum height u square sine square theta upon 2g. Got it? These things are easy. You just have to find equation of trajectory. Equation of trajectory means, tell me, what is the meaning of equation of trajectory? It is the relationship between x and y. Okay, it is the relationship between x and y. So y is equal to ut plus half at square. Right? And x is equal to ut. But this is uyt and this is uxt. Right? You have to find the relationship between y and x. That's the meaning of equation of trajectory. Yes or no? Tell me. So here you can write t is equal to x by ux. Yes or no? Right? Just put this value over here. So y is equal to uy into x by ux plus half a by x by ux whole square. Got it, everyone? Tell me, got this? Yes or no? Everyone is getting this? Okay, very good. Now, can you solve this? Tell me, can you solve this? Let's solve this. Let's solve this. That is the equation of trajectory. You just have to put the value and solve now. So y is equal to, what is uy? Is u sine theta divided by ux, which is u cos theta into x minus, because the ay is minus g. So half g x upon u square cos square theta. X square upon, sorry. Got it, everyone? Tell me, anyone have any doubt till this point? Tell me, everyone. Am I teaching myself? I hope not. Okay, now this is not the answer. Right? You can just simplify it further. So v is equal to, now take x tan theta common. Right? Take x tan theta common. U will get cancelled. So we are left with 1 minus. Now if we are taking x common, we are left with 1x. Okay, no issues. Divided by, now we are taking 1 cos theta common, so we are left with 1 cos theta. But we are taking 1 sin theta also common. But we don't have sin theta over here. Right, everyone? We don't have any sin theta over here. We have to divide it by sin theta. Sin theta. And this is g. Everyone got this? Tell me, everyone got this? Yes or no? Since we are taking out sine theta, we have to divide second term by sine theta. Yes or no? Raise your hand. If you got this, raise your hand. Right? Everyone should get this. Yes or no? Yes? Okay, very good. Now, how can you make this formula more simplified? Tell me. Can you see this? Can you see any formula over here? Tell me, can you see any formula over here? Anyone? Can you see any formula over here? Tell me. Yes, Ananya, very good. That is your formula of range, right? Very good. That is the formula of range. So I can just replace this with range. So we will have x tan theta 1 minus x by r. Yes or no? Agree? Everyone agree with this? So this is your equation of trajectory. Means what will be the position of y when x is changing. That is your equation of trajectory. Got it, everyone? So can you find equation of trajectory now? You can find range, right? So just put the value. Okay? Okay, everyone. So let's solve the last problem. So this is last problem of today's class. Try solving this. Think, everyone. It's easy. Please don't wait for me to solve. Anyone getting the answer? Okay. Okay, Priyanshu. Let's see the answer. So what is given? First of all, write out the information. Okay. A particle is projected from the surface of Earth, the speed such that horizontal and vertical components of velocity are 10 meter per second, 5 meter per second. So ux is given as 10 and uy is given as 5, as simple as that. Okay, as simple as that. You have to find theta. How simple this problem can be. We know ux is equal to u cos theta and uy is equal to u sin theta. So uy by ux is always tan theta, right? Which is equal to 1 by 2. Now tell me, this question, it was not even of 1 second, say 5 seconds, right? What you guys are doing? I got the answer from Priyanshu only. So it is tan theta is equal to half. That's it. Okay. Okay. So I'll share you this book. In the same book, the second part. Please try to go through all the examples. Okay. Right, everyone. Right. Okay. So we are done with motion in 2D. That is the concept that we'll study in class 12th also, sorry, class 11th also.